Hey guys, it's Wolf Dragon, and to celebrate May the 4th, I have this. Lego Star Wars set number 75407. The set has 700 pieces. It is the Star Wars logo, and today we're going to see how long it's going to take me to build this. Let me know in the comments how long you think it's going to take me, and let's do this. Alright guys, here it is, the Star Wars logo. But before we take a look at it, I got an hour and 4 minutes. Let me know how close you got to that time in the comments. Now let's take a look at the build. Before we take a look at the build, I want to show you guys the instructions real quick. So as you can see in here, it talks about the logo, some of the history behind it here. What it looks like, all that. So it's pretty cool. I want to show you guys that real quick in case you didn't know. Now let's take a look at the build. Here's the main build of the logo. And flip it around. Honestly, this was pretty fun to build. It was fun to see all the letters kind of build as you're going. And kind of trying to guess what letter you're building at each time. But you can see, you can also take them apart, kind of like that, if you don't want to stack them. And there is also a pretty cool detail in the T here. Get this off, there we go. As you can see here, it is a reference to the opening scene of A New Hope, where the Star Destroyer is chasing the Tantan 4 here over Tatooine. Pretty cool little detail there hidden in the T. But other than that, that's kind of pretty much the most part of the build. A lot of cool building techniques. It's like you got some how the depth in the black here to really make the yellow pop, and it also makes it really interesting in the black here, instead of it just being like flat black. It's got like a lot of texture and everything there, really reminiscent of the crawl at the beginning of the movies. But yeah, that's pretty much the build. Okay guys, that was the Star Wars logo. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. Again, how close you got to my time. It's still for sale on on Lego.com. I think it's on sale for Lego Insiders, so if you guys want to check it out, let me know if you guys have it already. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, that was that. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, may the force be with you.